Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D rotation to text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw a text box. Now I am write anything. Then select the text. Then go to the home menu, increase the font size. You can applying the bold or align the text. Now I am select the text and go to the shape format menu, choose the text effect option. Now I am select the 3D rotation. We can see here many 3D rotation. You can add any rotation of text. Now we can see we add this rotation to text easily. You can change the fill color, otherwise you can apply the shadow of text. Now we can see we add 3D rotation to text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.